Health insurance, out-of-pocket maximum, or stop loss. You know, I can't think of a more boring subject to discuss with you today. Why don't I just put on some music and we can dance? Well, maybe later. Now, it may be a boring subject, but it's a very important subject because whenever we're talking about insurance, we are talking about your money. And of course, I assume that's a subject of some interest to you. Now, an out-of-pocket maximum or stop loss limits the amount of money that you have to pay in coinsurance. Now, coinsurance is the part of your policy that requires that you pay a certain percentage of your medical expenses over the course of typically 12 months. Usually a calendar year basis, but sometimes on a policy year basis. So, let's say you have $1 million worth of expenses. You may pay your deductible plus 20% of the first $5,000, which would be an additional $1,000, or 20% of the first $25,000 after you've met your deductible, which would be another $5,000. Those are typical. That's a typical range that you'll find with health insurance, coinsurance maximums. Now, there are two ways that companies will calculate their stop loss. One is that they will only look at the maximum coinsurance, and another is that they will look at the maximum amount that you'd have to pay in coinsurance plus your deductible. So it's important that you're aware of that, so that when you're comparing two different policies that may have different numbers associated with the stop loss or out-of-pocket maximum, that you know that sometimes they may be the same and you're able to therefore make the best choice. Another issue regarding your out-of-pocket maximum is that it may apply separately to different family members. There may be one big out-of-pocket maximum limit for the entire family, or the company may have a combination of the two limits, which works to the benefit of larger families. Now, I hope that you like this tip. I hope you got something out of it. My name is Alston Balcom. I've been an insurance agent since 1985. You can visit my website, lovetherates.com, LOVETHERATES.com, and get health insurance quotes in any part of the United States. You know what? I'm going to put on that music now. Oh, let's see. We've got Doris CD. No, that's not good. We've got country and western. How'd that get here? We could waltz. Oh no, that CD is Baroque.